Here's a short little video I got on a what's called a nibbler. I learned about this from Dirt Lifestyle. He recommended this on your fabrication tools, but take a look in the box here and see what they got. I got this on Amazon for, I have to think, but I think 30 or 40 bucks. But it's pretty cool. You got this, which is basically like a compass for the device, but you attach this piece here in your drill. So I've got a DeWalt lithium-ion drill. This piece is going to go in there, and then this little end here is the cutting side. I'll do a quick video to show you that. It comes with a little handle here and extra bits. This is actually what cuts here. It's this little thing here. It just takes these little, knocks out little C-shaped shavings, and then they give you a metal little puncture drill there. I think that's what it's called. I don't know technical terms for anything. So let me show you a little demo real quick. I just wanted to give you a quick review on this little nibbler. So here we go. All right, here's a video of it. This is 16 gauge cold rolled steel. So I'm just gonna try and freehand this the best I can. Well, the first thing you wanna do is actually secure your metal. So we'll give that a shot. All right, this is 16 gauge. We'll see if it'll go through that. Well, that didn't work well. But as you can see, it does go through it. It just vibrated my bench a little. But it cuts out these little, see if I can see any, these little metal shavings. There we go. It makes these little shavings like that. It just takes out a little piece at a time. But it makes it really quick to cut out designs. This might have been a little too ambitious here, but you get the idea. It works really, really well. I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't had the chance to do much. I've been working on this Mustang so hard that I've been doing body work, so I haven't had a chance to do much fabrication at all. So, but I'll go ahead and just cut out kind of a round shape. Maybe I can't do that intricate with this bit, but I'll give it a shot. Well, it was a valiant effort. I'm not the best at it yet, but you get the point. You can kind of, I could work my way on it more. I did this in 10 seconds as opposed to using an angle grinder, which would take a while to cut through that steel. So anyway, I would definitely recommend one. The brand I got was Rex Betty, maybe, I don't know. It was whatever Amazon had. It had great reviews. That was 16, I mean, that's solid 16 gauge, pretty thick stuff just to be doing little designs like that. So definitely get one if you're going to get into any type of fabrication. I don't know what I'm going to build yet, but I should build something fun. Obviously, whatever I build won't look that pretty, but that's not the tool, that's me. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. I'll keep you updated. Thanks, bye.